Do not drink this if you know you're going to work that day. This will knock you out.
What's up? You already know who it is. It's your girl, Braid Nation. Let's get straight to the point. This is my channel where we have fun all day, all the time. So yeah.
Thank you for clicking this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And we're going to be talking about the thick sum that makes everybody thick. Apetamin, Apetamin. So keep watching. I want to have a little, weight on me, you know what I'm saying? I am a little small for my age. So I was like, well, let me just try out this Apetamin because, is that what it's called? Is that how you pronounce it? Apetamin. Apetamin? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. I currently got 2 bottles. I went to the store and bought this one, and this one came through the mail. So I'm gonna just start with the taste of it. The taste is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all, actually. It's not. It's easy to take. I'm gonna tell you now. You think like Benadryl gonna make you sleepy? Girl, this gonna make you sleepy on a whole nother level. Like when they say don't drink this before you go to work, bro, no joke. No joke. When I tell you that this stuff makes you sleepy, no joke. This is the way it comes in the mail. This is what it should look like. Come. And it tells you for certain ages how much they should take. Right here. Adults should take 10 milliliters 3 times daily before food. And when I tell you this stuff make you hungry, this stuff really make you hungry and really make you sleepy. Those 2 things right there, for real, come in when you start drinking it. You think that ain't nothing can make me hungry, ain't nothing can make me sleepy, bro. When I tell you this stuff be kicking in, I thought I could never get sleepy. This stuff have you knocked out. Like I look like I was a walking zombie walking around trying to act like I'm straight. I'm straight. I ain't tired. But if I wasn't tired, I was always putting something in my mouth. And when I first started it, I didn't see no real big impact in it until like the 2nd day. And I was like extremely hungry. Like I was never full. Like I was constantly always hungry, always putting something in my mouth. And then after I eat, normally I know how much I can eat. And when I see a plate and I eat all of it and I'm still hungry, that's weird. That you're supposed to be full, but it's like your mouth is still telling you eat more. It's like weird. You gonna get it. You gonna see what I'm talking about when you take this. Your hunger gets real serious. And when I started taking it, all the food was just sitting right here in my stomach. And when you take this, best believe you need to work out, because if you do not work out, you're gonna get fat. I've really been slowing down on it because I started working, and I work Monday through Friday, and it's kind of hard to fit it in. So this is my first week with taking it, and so far I can say it definitely works. I'm gonna say that. And all the weight that I've been gaining, like food I've been eating, just been sitting right here. It's just been sitting in my stomach, and my stomach was like bloated. But I guess that's normal, because normally skinny girls, when we eat, it don't go nowhere but to our stomach, and we just be bloated, just be sitting there. I can't reiterate that how sleepy this stuff gonna make you feel. This stuff make you so sleepy, it'll make you sleep all day. So I really recommend you to take this on your day off. This stuff is serious. Like today is Sunday. I go to work Monday. I could take it, but I've never taken it on like a day before I go back to work. So I'm not gonna even test it out and try it out. I don't have time to be walking around looking like a zombie at work. So this is what the Apetamin, whatever you want to call it. This is what it looks like. The bottle. This is the cup that comes with it. As adults need to take 10 milliliters 3 times daily before food. 3 times a day. This is 10 milliliter. That's half mark. And they say before you take it, shake it really well. It don't taste that bad, so it's manageable. I don't know why they don't fill it up all the way. I don't get it. It's like you trying me. But it's cool though. It's cool. I guess that's where it starts. So far since I've been taking it, I haven't got any symptoms or like got sick or anything. The only symptoms I had was very sleepiness and drowsiness. That's about it. It just makes you eat a lot. A lot. Like I haven't been taking it, but I can say like normally I don't get that hungry. I can eat one meal and be done. Like, bro, I'm always hungry. I be at work and my stomach be growling. I'm like, I just had breakfast and I'm still growling. So like, after you take it, it's still gonna keep up with what you got going on. I'm about to hit that 100 mark. I'm coming on up. I'm moving on up. I'm not trying to get like big. I just want to get a little, a little fat. You know what I'm saying? Summer coming, and this stuff is very active. Like when you drink it, best believe it's working right then, right there, right now. I advise people to use this. It works. Even though I've seen some people that said that their face got bloated, like when they started gaining weight, they gain weight in different spots. Everybody's body is not the same, so we might not be gaining all in the same spot. Because every time I ate, it went straight to my stomach. So I don't know what to say, but it tastes like cough medicine. Like, smells like cough syrup, really. 10 milliliter. Not that bad at all, actually. Yeah, it's not bad at all. If y'all got any questions, want to hit me up about it, I might just start selling some. So don't get a little crazy on me now. Y'all hit me up in the DMs. I'm gonna put my Instagram in the description box, so y'all can hit me up if y'all think I should start selling some. So if you want to see another week of how this is going, make sure you comment and you like and you subscribe. And if you got any questions about this or want to know where to buy this at, I might just start selling it. You never know. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description box. And all I can say is catch you on the flip side.